Hey, what happened to your head?
Just right now, and knocked my head on the swing.
On the swing?
Yes.
How come?
I don't know.
Just happened?
It's happening.
What are you doing?
Pin stickers on you.
You are. Why?
Because I love you.
'Cause you love me? How much do you love me?
Because I'm putting your stickers on you.
That's how much you love me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you get any stickers?
Huh?
Do you get any stickers?
I don't want stickers. I'm Batman. But I don't want stickers.
Batman doesn't want stickers.
No.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Why is that?
No.
I thought Batman loves stickers.
But I just love stickers.
Why?
Oh. I forget my box.
What box?
Box of something. Where's the box? Don't see it.
Maybe it's at your house.
Oh, and not my house. Can't find out my house.
You didn't look.
Where is it? I don't see it.